And there you have it, guys. It is completed. 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Visit LeatherTeck.com, Upholstery technology. You can order these kits right there. We have it in different colors, different combinations of stitch, color, different patterns for virtually any vehicle. Guys, LeatherTeck.com or Upholsterytechnology.com. Get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats. Switch to leather. You deserve it, your car deserves it. And don't get these fake techs from Toyota, it's horrible. Get the real leather, real stuff. Like and subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, please put it in the chat. Make an inquiry. And I'll see you guys in our next project. Beautiful, beautiful finish.